EOS is a synonym for accuracy, reliability, and performance. We have never been in a better position than today. We have an unmatched innovation portfolio and roadmap ahead of us, and all the market megatrends are very much in our favor.
What EOS is going to be doing is bringing that technology to more customers and more markets over the next few years than ever before. That means North America, it means Europe, it means the Middle East and Southeast Asia.
Innovation is the core of EOS. It's in the DNA of the company. If it's not novel, new, designed, invented by us, we're not doing it.
We are based in Singapore, we are based in UAE, in USA and soon in Europe in order to be the nearest as possible to the customer. The sun never sets on EOS.
We are a reliable and trusted partner, and we have one of the best solutions in the market.
And even after delivering the product to the customer, we are the one who maintaining this product.
We see an expansion of our capabilities as being an important factor for our steps forward.
First time, every time. That's something our customers say to us a lot, and we understand it.
EOS come into play when the first shot matters.
The military operational environment is continually changing. EOS needs to continually monitor that environment to ensure that we're developing products that meet our customers' requirements. Our entire team is focused on our technologies and our products. They've been doing this work for over 30 years. They've built up experience that's unrivaled in the world.
A lot of weapons have very, very high rates of fire, but they're very, very inexact. On the other hand, at some point, they're gonna get you. So you better take them down and take them down fast. In Huntsville, we make the R400, we make the R600, we also make the R800 here. We are entering into a period of industrial warfare where the industrial might of a country has to be marshaled so you can win a fight.
We work together with the customer to customize and align our technology with their operational requirements. We are working close to our customer, so whenever they need the support, we can do it within 24 hours.
All the technical engineering support for the entire fleet will be carried out in these premises. EOS Singapore, one of the most advanced support center for RCWS in Asia today.
It is tremendously important that when you're in a competition, you're able to achieve result immediately.
EOS is a pioneer in high-energy laser weapon systems. We are one of the very few companies around the globe who can offer today high-energy laser systems in the 50 kilowatt class, and in the near future we will offer 100 kilowatt class products. This is a unique innovation. It will make a big difference in the battlefield of the future, and EOS will be in the middle of it.
Enemies that don't have large military budgets can afford large numbers of drones. So for every $1 million you spend on attacking someone, they have to spend $50 million defending themselves. And that equation will bankrupt you before it will kill you.
You've got to be able to shoot down drones at low cost. That's what we provide. We have a system that can shoot down drones at a lower cost than almost anything else on the market.
We introduced a laser dazzler, which is a laser weapon which we can introduce on our weapon station, allowing our clients to engage against flying in drones, to blind their sensors and to defeat them. This is a breakthrough innovation. There's no other company around the world who has this combination of kinetical and a laser weapon system being integrated at the same time on a remote weapon station. EM Solutions is a 100% affiliated company of EOS. It is Brisbane-based and we acquired the company in 2019. It has a great strategic potential and its products are world known for its highest accuracy in tracking the satellites.
Our main business is making maritime SATCOM terminals. So our technology enables our customer to stay connected no matter where they are in the world. EM Solutions terminals are world-leading because of its precision tracking technology. There is no other manufacturer in the world that uses that same technology on their on-the-move terminals. Even in the toughest sea states, we remain locked on the satellite.
We specialise in electro-optical systems for space applications. The optical precision element and accuracy of those systems is incredibly important.
EOS has a unique set of capabilities in space warfare. It is first, our capability in the area of high-energy laser weapon systems. Second, the capability of most accurate tracking of space objects from ground. And third, our capability in adaptive optics.
Our core business is pointing high-precision optical systems to space and tracking assets that are orbiting Earth at very high speeds. It is critical that we have a sustainable way to manage pieces of space debris. We have been utilizing lasers to both track these pieces of debris and also clear them. And EOS is one of the pioneers in this field.
Kiwi Star is a subsidiary of the Space Systems division, specialising in optics. We call on Kiwi Star's expertise in optical design and manufacture to provide EOS the world-leading products that we produce for international customers.
The quality of the image is directly related to the quality of the optic, and for the most demanding applications, you need to be near perfect. Optics are becoming more and more important. There's a growing space surveillance and space awareness requirement. The optics world is just burgeoning.
Whether it's observing the far depths of our universe or building directed energy weapon systems for near close-up engagements, accuracy matters.
If you ask what are the hallmarks of our technology, it's accuracy. Because we do a different approach to the science and a different approach to the engineering and combine them in different ways that maps out the errors of systems more effectively than I think any other company has ever achieved.
There's a lot of determination in our company. We've got people who've been with us for a long time and are really, really determined to see the products succeed and help our customers.
We are agile and we can deliver customized solutions. That's why we get preference over other suppliers as we meet the customer expectations and even exceed them. At EOS, it's what we do next that matters most.